You're asked to simplify the following, and these ones here are actually really simple. They're still multiplying radicals, but we have this rule where if we take the square root of a number times the square root of the same number, well, that gives us that number without the square root. So, way to think about it here is if we were to do, let's say, square root of 8 times the square root of 8, the long way here would be okay, 8 times 8 is 64. Then I got to break this down and simplify it, or hopefully know that that is a perfect square and the square root of 64 is just 8. Now, what that does is that helps us see that, okay, when we multiply these two square roots, then I just get that number left on the outside. The same works with anything with variables, where since I have y to the power of 3 in the square root times y to the power of 3 in the square root, then my final answer is just y to the power of 3. No matter what's on the inside, as long as it is the same, these square roots end up canceling out when you're multiplying them together. It's really the inverse operation. The square root is looking for two numbers that multiply by themselves, and when we multiply them by themselves, well, we get that number. Same idea here, no matter what ugly thing is on the inside, as long as it is the same and we're multiplying it together and they're both in square roots, well, then we get whatever is on the inside here because that is a definition of what a square root is.